If you're trying to change your Xero authentication code to your email, you're in the right place. This quick guide will walk you through everything you need to know to switch over to email authentication in Xero. And we'll keep it short so you can get back to managing your finances efficiently. By the end of this video, you'll be confident in making this change and understanding how to better secure your Xero account. Before we get into the details, let me mention that you can try out Xero completely free from the first link below. Not only will you get access to all its powerful features, but you'll also benefit from our exclusive bonuses to make your experience even better. So, stick around until the end. I promise you don't want to miss it. Now, let's dive into the process of changing your Xero authentication code to email. When you set up Xero initially, you're likely prompted to use an authentication app or a phone number for security. But what if you prefer to have your code sent directly to your email instead? It's possible, and here's how. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're in, head to the top right corner of the screen and click on your name or the organization name. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage all the settings related to your Xero account, including security options. Next, find and click on Two-Step Authentication. This is the section where you'll manage your security settings, including your current authentication method. You'll see options like Authenticator app or SMS authentication as your primary methods, and now you want to switch to email. To make the change, click on Edit next to your current authentication method. You'll be given the option to switch from your current authentication code method to email. Select email and follow the prompts. You may be asked to enter your password for verification. Once verified, Xero will send your future authentication codes directly to your email. One thing to note here is that once you make the switch, your security code will be sent to the email address associated with your Xero account. So, be sure that you have access to your email account and that it's the right one listed under your settings. After you've switched to email authentication, you'll be all set. Now, every time you log into Xero, you'll receive a code in your inbox to complete the authentication process. This change can be a big help if you find it easier to access your email compared to managing an authentication app or SMS codes. As we wrap up, remember that Xero is a fantastic software tool for managing your finances, and securing your account with an email authentication code can add an extra layer of protection. Plus, don't forget to grab our exclusive extended free trial from the link below. It's a great way to explore everything Xero has to offer without any risk. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Xero with the peace of mind that comes from secure, hassle-free authentication.